There are many products available to choose lounge chairs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best lounge chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Modern lounge chair with Ottoman. Not only is this fluffy lounge chair an affordable choice for small spaces, it's available in nearly every color. From neutrals like beige, black, and plush brown to statement shades like dark green, plush pink, and royal blue. The curved backrest is meant to support your spine, while the included foot pedal is perfect for relaxing your feet. Added bonus, it can quickly fold when not in use. What's more, there's a side storage pocket. Dimensions: 37.4 inches dx 28.5 wx 25.5 h. Number 2. Faux fur saucer chair. With soft faux fur fabric and a metal frame, this lightweight saucer chair is both comfortable and convenient. The extra-large chair is easy to assemble and folds for easy transportation, yet it's sturdy and able to support up to 300 pounds. Shop this affordable option in an array of colors, from neutrals like gray, black, and beige to brighter hues like blue, burgundy, and pink. Dimensions: 25 inches x 38, wx 34. Number 3. Stone and beam down-filled oversized chair. This down-filled chair features a large sink-worthy seat that's 46 inches wide. If you're looking for deep seating, this is it, writes one online reviewer. My son and I can easily snuggle up in the chair together. Online reviewers agree that it's comfortable, sturdy, easy to clean, and offers great value given the price point. If you're hunting for a matching set, the style is also available as an Ottoman, 74 sofa, and 89 sofa. Dimensions: 45 inches dx 46 wx 37 h. Number 4. Velvet swivel accent chair. Allow this velvet accent chair, equipped with a 360-degree swivel base, to serve as a focal point in your living room. It features a curved high backrest, high-density foam cushions, wide armrests, and a matching ottoman, so you can prop up your feet for ultimate lounging. With more than 10 trendy color options, you're sure to find a shade to elevate your space. Take afternoon naps to the next level with this armless chaise lounge chair. Online reviewers are raving over the quality, comfort, and style. One writes, "This chair is very comfortable, super soft material and cushy. Everyone in the family argues over who gets to use it." The plush chaise, designed with square button tufting, tapered feet, and a curved frame, is available in 3 versatile shades: granite, linen, and amigo slate. Dimensions: 31.7 3x 33.5 wx 33.7 h. Number 5. Albany Park Armchair. Although on the pricey side, this modern armchair has a nearly 5-star rating for being comfortable, stylish, and easy to assemble. Choose from a number of striking fabrics, plus you can choose your leg finish, black or gold, arm style, and cushion style. Online reviewers love the comfort, look, and size, with a few commenting it's spacious enough for 2 people. This cozy boucle chair provides a stylish place to read, watch TV, or drink your morning coffee. It features a 360-degree swivel pedestal base and is available in a variety of chic colors, including beige, dark gray, taupe, brown, and green. Plus, it arrives fully assembled along with a movable lumbar pillow. Dimensions: 45 inches wx 35 hx 35 d. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make you life much more easier.